Oh, the potato. What a lovely basic ingredient that can create so many amazing dishes. So today I'm going to show you a version of a warm potato salad that I like to make. We are kind of on the cusp of getting out of winter. Spring hasn't kind of really showed its face yet where I am. So instead of getting into like the barbecue season of potato salads, I wanted to show you this one. It is kind of a European thing, I think, because I remember eating similar recipes to this besides schnitzel or some kielbasa. So without further ado, let's go assemble and cook this warm potato salad. The one thing I want to tell you about this potato salad too is that you don't need to get hung up on the type of potato to use. I really like fingerling potatoes or like those small baby little potatoes to use for potato salad like this. However, there was a 10-pound bag of regular white potatoes on sale, and that's what I used today, and it works just fine. Make sure that you cook your potatoes, boil your potatoes whole when you are working with the big potatoes anyway. I know you might want to speed up the cooking by cutting them into smaller pieces, but trust me, it's better with the skin on. Give them a cook and then we can cut and assemble. Once your potatoes are cooked, get them out of the water, and while they're still warm, give them a slice. For this style of potato salad and the big potatoes that I'm using, I'm doing kind of moderately thick slices, and it's okay that they're going to fall apart a bit. We want them to kind of get mushy. I'm putting in Dijon mustard and mayo next. You want less Dijon than mayo, so kind of 2 scoops of Dijon, 3 scoops of mayo. Salt and pepper to taste. Do not be afraid to salt these potatoes. Potatoes love salt, and hopefully you salted your water while boiling them as well. Give it a little mix, and we're going to keep adding. I'm going to use really thin slices of red onion and really thin slices of pickle. I love fresh dill, so I'm going to use that next to finish off the flavors in this salad. You got to give it a good mix at this point. And again, don't worry about the potatoes falling apart. We want nice big slices, but we also want it to kind of mush together. So don't be afraid to kind of put some muscle into the mixing of this. You can't have any dish in my household without cheese. So Parmesan, freshly grated, or in this case, I'm using Asiago cheese. It's gonna kind of slowly start melting on the warm potatoes, and it makes it just a little extra creamier. You know, to garnish, a little bit of dill, why not? Warm potato salad, beautiful flavors, delicious potato, and it comes together like that. You can serve it warm just like it is suggested, but you know what? Leftovers, I eat it out of the fridge cold and it is just as delicious. You know what? Frying it up on a frying pan afterwards and maybe putting some bacon and an egg on there for leftover breakfast sounds like a good idea too. Hey, if you try this recipe and you try any of those variations that I just talked about, let me know. I would love to hear it. And thank you for always being here and watching the show. Till next time.